To add a completely new column, let's return to our main table view up in the top. On the far right of this first group, click the plus to add a column. Next, we need to select a column type, and there are many options to capture any of the information that we need to manage. For example, for our team, it probably makes sense to keep our thumbnail files attached to the item. I'll add a files column. We can rename our columns using the column menu. I'll open that and rename, and I'll call this thumbnail. And we can drag our column to new locations in the table wherever we please. Now I'll hover here and click the Add Manage Files button that shows up in my item. I'll upload from my computer, and I'll select the file for the thumbnail that I currently have for this tutorial. Once it has been uploaded, you'll see a tiny little preview here in our main table row. One important note about columns is that the columns that you have for items are different from the columns that you have for sub-items, meaning you can control what you track at each level differently. If I open the sub-items for this item, for example, we obviously don't have the thumbnail column added at the sub-item level that I just added at the item level above. New columns for the sub-item level can be added here in the exact same way that I just showed you.